Nearly 2,000 people attended the 27th annual Rochester Top 100 Gala Luncheon at the Riverside Convention Center. Rochester Business Alliance and KPMG present the Rochester Top 100 to honor the region's fastest-growing privately held businesses based upon percentage of revenue growth.
Their tremendous growth over the period of time is just a cause of celebration for the community. This year, if you look at the list, we've got 19 of the 100 are manufacturing firms, and we've got virtually every other sector represented, and that represents really the strength of the economy here, that it's so diversified.
Ironwood Heavy Highway, the vegetation and construction management sister company of Terry Tree Service, claimed the #1 spot in the 2013 Rochester Top 100. Real estate brokerage firm Remax Realty Group took #2, and general contractor Manning Squires Heading rounded out the top 3.
It's such an honor for our employees, all the people that work so hard every day to make our company what it is. It's just an amazing feeling knowing that they're being recognized for their hard work every day.
To be eligible for the Rochester Top 100, businesses must be privately held, headquartered in the 9-county Rochester region, and have earned at least $1 million in revenue in each of the 3 most recent fiscal years. The nomination process for the 2014 Rochester Top 100 begins in February. Go to rochesterbusinessalliance.com for more information. I'm RBA Communications Director Dan Smith.